Ahoy, shipmates. There's a bit of a land-based activity this bank holiday weekend. That was Breamore House that you saw just flash before you on the starboard side. Breamore was a small village in Hampshire, about 40 minutes drive from the port of Southampton, where if you take a walk along the bridleways, up and down a few hills, about a mile from where you park the car, you will find a Miz Maze. You're asking me, what is a Miz Maze? Well, a Miz Maze is the name given to 2 of England's 8 surviving historic turf mazes. And rather interestingly, both of the Miz Mazes that are surviving are in the county of Hampshire, one here in Breamore and another one in Winchester, which is more of a square design. Miz Maze is essentially a single path that twists and turns all the way into the centre. This particular maze is thought to be somewhere in the region of 800 years old, and as such they don't want you walking all over it and wearing it out, so you have to view it from the sides. There's a fence all the way around. You can walk around it and see the maze. You're supposed to take the journey through the maze, starting on the outside, going all the way to the inside, and meditating while you go. Popular with druids and witches over the years, and now more of a historical amusement. Of course, probably the best place to see the maze would be from above. Right, now what happened to Rusty the dog? Well, if you ever find yourself in Hampshire, near Breamore, and you want to visit the country house, I can recommend it. And also the little walk up to the maze is quite nice. I'm sure he's here somewhere. Where did he go? Where's that little fella gone? There he is. Till next time, shipmates.